Aslam.
That's right.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hanif, and this is my twin brother Shafi and my friend Edafe. They will present the Muslim opening prayer al-Fatiha. My twin brother will say it in Arabic. My friend Edafe will say it, the English translation. And we pray.
Thank you, sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Malik Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Master of day for acquittal. They do we serve, they do beseech for help. Guide us on the right path. The path of those whom thou bestowed favors, not those whose wrath has been brought down, nor those who go astray. Ameen.